Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the rich and diverse food culture of China. Chinese cuisine is not just about food, it's about history, tradition, and the art of bringing people together. From the fiery flavors of Sichuan to the delicate dim sum of Guangdong, we're exploring the stories behind the dishes that make Chinese food so special. So, grab your chopsticks, and let's get started. Chinese food culture is deeply rooted in philosophy and tradition. The concept of yin and yang plays a big role. Meals are balanced with hot and cold, spicy and mild, and crunchy and soft textures. Food is also seen as a way to promote health and harmony. For example, ginger is used to warm the body, while cooling ingredients like cucumber are eaten in the summer. Every dish tells a story, and every meal is a celebration of life. Cantonese cuisine, from Guangdong province, is all about freshness and subtle flavors. Think delicate dim sum, like har gow, shrimp dumplings, and siu mai, and succulent roast meats like char siu, barbecue pork, and crispy roast duck. Sichuan cuisine is famous for its bold, spicy, and numbing flavors, thanks to the use of Sichuan peppercorns and chili oil. Must-try dishes include mapo tofu, kung pao chicken, and hot pot. Shandong cuisine, from the eastern coast, is known for its seafood dishes and the use of vinegar. Try braised abalone or jianbing, a savory pancake often eaten for breakfast. Jiangsu cuisine is all about elegance and sweetness. Dishes like xiaolongbao, soup dumplings, and hongxiao rou, braised pork belly, are rich, flavorful, and beautifully presented. Zhejiang cuisine focuses on fresh, light, and tender flavors. Try Westlake fish and vinegar sauce or dishes featuring bamboo shoots and tea leaves. Fujian cuisine is famous for its soups and umami-rich flavors. The iconic dish, Buddha Jumps Over the Wall, is a complex soup made with seafood, meat, and herbs. Hunan cuisine is fiery and smoky, with dishes like spicy stir-fried pork and smoked meats. It's perfect for those who love bold, intense flavors. Food is more than just sustenance in China, it's a way of life. During Lunar New Year, families gather to enjoy symbolic dishes like dumplings, for wealth, and fish, for prosperity. Tea culture is also deeply ingrained, with tea ceremonies representing respect and hospitality. And let's not forget the importance of street food, which brings people together in bustling night markets across the country. If you're new to Chinese cuisine, here are some must-try dishes to get you started. Peking duck, crispy, roasted duck served with pancakes and hoisin sauce. Kung pao chicken, a spicy stir-fry with peanuts and veggies. Xiaolongbao, soup dumplings that burst with flavor. Hot pot, a communal meal where you cook your own meat, veggies, and noodles in a simmering broth. Mooncakes, sweet pastries often enjoyed during the Mid-Autumn Festival. These dishes are a great introduction to the incredible diversity of Chinese food. And that's it for today's journey through Chinese food culture. Which of these dishes are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a food adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and savoring the flavors of the world.